Welcome to Nation Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to crimping RJ-45 connector using the tools with whip method. Required tools for one is crimping tool and small screwdriver, wire stripper, cutter, RJ-45 connector, Cat 6 cable. Now, I will show you how to crimp RJ-45 connector in easy way and quickly. Before you take wire stripper, using wire stripper, you can open the wire sleeve like that. You can rotate two times like that. After you can put it like that. This cable will be outer, it will come easily. You can put it somewhere, and this waste plastic and this one you cut it this here like this. This as per the standard color code is there, like this: orange, white, orange, white, green, blue, white, brown. You can use this one small screwdriver. You can open like that. You can make it straight. Put it like that. Okay, move to little bit up, and first connection is white, orange, second orange, third one white, green, fourth blue, fifth white, blue, sixth green, seventh white, brown, eighth brown. Okay, after this one you can cut it little bit this much. This is the RJ-45 connector size is there this much. See, you can use like this. You can check it. You can cut it this much here. Okay, use the cutter. You can cut it like that. I can put it connector in this, like, see, like this notch, it will come down slowly. You can put it like that. You can once check it, all the connection is coming there. You can check it once. Okay, next, this using crimping tool, you can put like that. Press. See, now is ready. Connection is ready. Like this you can use two tools quickly. You can crimping RJ-45 connector in straight cable. Thank you.